Hello everyone. The next part is my part. Is 4.5. That's what are the endeavor that Coca-Cola has made. The Coca-Cola production. The first part is that. Around the world, Coca-Cola has the production line and the bottling plants. This has a big influence on their business because uh, they are one of the leader in the soft drink market. Outsourcing jeopardized the domestic skill development, resulting in cost saving in the long run. Strictly guidelines on the amount of the concentrate per liter of the Coca-Cola beverage are in place. To have a certain flavor, the beverage need concentrating. Else, it will just be carbon sugar water. By managing the concentrate manufacture, Coca-Cola has the indirect control over the entire supply chain. The largest known ingredient used to make the syrup is like sugar, which can either be highly fructose corn syrup or the sucrose, depending on the country of the origin. The company uses several systems to monitor daily change in the price of the ingredient on the global scale. And the next part is the inventory and cost management. And this is the some system I will introduce before. Um, as the company developed the national and worldwide, the Coca-Cola acknowledged the necessity of the inventory control and the cost associated with it by recruiting approved bottle and the distributor. Because the emergency of the material requirement planning system and the manufacturing resource planning systems, plus improved computer compatibility. Organizations such as the Coca-Cola were able to precisely manage the inventories. As the consequence, stockpile of the suppliers such as sugar, syrup, and old and new bottles are reduced, and the communication is enhanced so that new purchase um, obviously. And the table one is the inventory of the Pepsi from the 2018 to the 2021. And here we can see the different inventories the Coca-Cola paid. And the next table is the inventory of the um, Pepsi from the 2018 to the 2021. And inventory turnover generally measures the speed of the company turning its inventory in forward the finished good with the year and is calculated through the formula below. And the inventory turnover equal to the avenue cost of the good and sold or be average inventory in dollar. The average inventory turnover for Coca-Cola is the 30.7 in the last 5 years. This proves that Coca-Cola focused much on inventory management. When it comes to Pepsi, its average inventory turnover is 8.7. Compare these two companies, and we can see them much more difference, and they have the different cost control in their different strategies. And the next part is the total quality management and just in time. These are two systems, and we are newly to introduce. And the customer certification is giving top priority by the total quality management and the management strategy with the goal of the achieving long-term success. The formulation of the TQM, the totally quantity management, is the premise that every employee in the company should contribute to the improving its process, product, and culture. And the definition of the quality product is one that customer can trust each time they use it. Numerous companies, including the Coca-Cola, face to the fierce worldwide company Pepsi Cola, among the other soft drink producer come into the direct conflict with the Coke on the global level. The goal of the producers was to provide cost efficiency products with top-notch customer service. To achieve this goal, um, Coca-Cola employed just-in-time and total quality management strategies to boost the quality and process efficiency and the delivery deadline. Um, Business like the Coca-Cola are able to identify the supplier that's giving the best service by forming collaborative, effective supplier-buyer presentation, and Coca-Cola carefully select its supplier and reward. This don't contribute to sale growth through enhanced delivery, quality, and product design, as well as the cost reduction of the inventory in this produce, the material and the element utilized in their manufacturing process. And here is our part four. And now I'm going to go into the part five, the conclusion. The Coca-Colas and Pepsis are leading company in the beverage industry in American and the entire world. Um, and, and this company involved in the manufacturing of beverage, food, and snake. And Coca-Cola is the some special. They just mainly specialize in the production of the drink. And these two companies have been a highly competitive war in the production and selling of these goods. However, the operation management process of these two companies are similar and differ in different ways. As far as the category of the beverage is concerned, Coca-Cola has done a very good job in many aspects and is at the leading level in the industry. But we cannot ignore the many problems of the Coca-Cola and realize that it has made some endeavor as well. Through a comprehensive analysis of the Coca-Cola and combined to the Pepsi with our course content and this in this semester, we can have deeper understanding of the Coca-Cola operation model and the potential challenge and make a judgment and interpretation from the more professional perspective. And the rest part is our reference. We use the annual report of these two companies and some journal and essays from the internet. That's all of our presentation. Thank you for listening.